Nei laboratori Nolan, oltre a verificare come previsto per legge dalle norme.
In the Nolan laboratories, in addition to checking a series of tests seen previously as per international regulations, we can also evaluate the various components. In this case, we are looking at the double ring retention system to check dimensional characteristics and mechanical properties by means of traction with a dynamometer. The static tensile strength test checks the retention system as a safety element. The dynamometer applies a load until breakage. This retention system, defined the microlock, is a different micrometric regulation system to the double ring we saw earlier for a more competitive use. Micro is more suited for in-town and tourism riding.
Micro che è per un uso più cittadino e da turismo.
The element gave way at 411 decanewtons, as compared with the maximum value set out by the regulation of 200 kilos. This equipment allows us to check the capacities of the microsystem to resist over time, with continuous cycles of opening and closing. Against the 10,000 cycles set out by the regulation ECE 2205, in Nolan we reach 70,000 cycles, without the microelement giving way. The functional elements of Nolan helmets are also tested. As we can see here, specific equipment tests visor opening and cleaning cycles thousands of times over. The bullet test is not a requirement of any international standards, but is an in-house Nolan test. It serves to check the capacity of the Lexan polycarbonate thermoplastic molded shell and to check that once the outer shell has been developed in the various helmet types, it resists impact with a 330-gram bullet shot at approximately 180 kilometers per hour. The shell must not fracture, but should only suffer elastic deformation. Here we can see that the thermoplastic shell tested with the EPS shell within has suffered no external deformation, but towards the inside we can see the polystyrene foam that has absorbed the residual energy. The visors, molded from Lexan OQ4820 polycarbonate, are also bullet tested.